Hello everyone, this is going to be a tutorial about how do you make some complex roofs. Like I have made some here, this one, or this, or any another roof like this. So first of all, let's make some walls. Usually these have this type of structures. So that's enough. Now let's proceed to let's see what its height. Its height is 9 feet. Let it be up to level 2. Go to 3D view. Maybe level 3. Now it's fine. Now let's go to level 3 and go to our roof command. Go to this roof by footprint and press this big walls. Keep an offset of about 1.5 feet and say on wall, just press the tab key. It will select most of the walls. Later on we are going to trim it. Now it's done. Now let's see how it's made. It's a simple roof. Now let's add dormers and other things in it. And also that extended roof. We are going to make that also in it. Go to again roof, edit footprint. Go to level 3 and this select slope on these two sides. Now since we have deselected slope, now these will be two dormers, main dormers of it. Now how are you going to extend it? There are another ways to do so, either by roof by extrusion, but I'm going to show you some different way. Just go to again roof by footprint. Select this rectangle. Use AL. Align it to this and deselect slope on these sides. That's done. Go to 3D view. Now use again AL. Select this face so it's aligned in it. You can also lock it there. Now you can join it also. Go to join these two. and these two are joined. So this is how you make that extended roof. Now how to add dormers. Also you can just attach top base with this. It will fill it. Now how are you going to add some dormers in it? Let's see, I want to add maybe there a dormer. Go to this side, go here, roof by extrusion, pick a plane, pick any of the orthogonal plane here like this. Now go to this, pick lines, pick this line and this line, and I don't want such a big dormer here. I will just cut it, maybe that much, trim, and delete this one. Move this using move command. Maybe here. Now you just need to adjust it. If you want to join these two, what you need to do, you just go to modify tab and go on this join roof. Here pick this line and this face. Wait, it can't be joined because it may be bigger in size. Usually this happens when this dormer is a lot bigger than the prescribed size. So let's again edit profile. Now decrease its length. Use again trim. Now you can join this. Now it's done. You can also make a dormer like here. There's a little trick how to do that. There are two methods to do it. One is the official, and I will show you the easiest method, but it's not a good practice to do so. Let me show you how to do that. So first select if you want dormer of like 20 feet. You can add it just by doing this. You just need to move it a little further from this line, like I have done 6 inch. Keep it minimum like 2 inch, and just deselect slope on this. So here you are, the dormer is ready. Attach top base with this. Here the eaves are not aligned. Go again to footprint, align eaves. Now they are done. So I told you why you shouldn't do this, because there is a cut made here. The official way is some different. There you need to add some slope arrows, then you can make dormers, but it's the easiest way, so you can also do this. Here now what you need to do, that you need to cut this space, because we don't need this part of the roof below this. So what you are going to do is go to level 3. You can't see it, just go to range, view range, and adjust it, maybe 15. Now you are able to see it. Go to wall, select it to be whatever, just make this. Now what you are going to do, go to this dormer. In the architectural tab, dormer, select the big roof which you want to cut, and select this big roof. So this. Now select trim this. So it's done. You can go to 3D.
You can now delete these walls so that you can see the opening. Also, you can join this wall with the top of the roof. So here it's ready. Now you can just add windows to it to make it look better. You might also like to add a small dormer here